This is attributed, of course, to the aggressive campaign natin sa Safer Cities. Aggressive campaign dito sa implementation ng mga city ordinances, and at the same time, yung aggressive law enforcement operation ng bawat unit ng NCRPO. Let us maintain and sustain this drive ng sa ganon. At the end of the day, we can truly say na safer Metro Manila cities, yung NCR. And of course, to the officers who are supervising our men on the street, sa mga tao natin nakadeploy, let us always remember na dapat tutukan natin yung mga tao natin. Let's make sure na yung mga nakadeploy sa kalsada, andun talaga sila. Of course, because we are assigned in regional headquarters, some of you are deployed also and being reinforced. Do ito sa mga different districts. Let's make sure to report there para hindi tayo nagkakaproblema. So again, gentlemen and ladies, congratulations, good morning, and mabuhay tayong lahat.